There's a question here from a Ventura trader. John was asking here, or was answering, but I'll just reiterate it. Someone was asking, since you can't hold trades over from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m., is it possible to code in PineScript to close open trades at 4:59 p.m. and then reopen them back up at 6:01 p.m.? So it is possible in PineScript to set trades or signals based on time. There's actually multiple ways of going about it. So the only thing I would say is that you want to make sure that that you test how you're doing that, because there are ways that out of the box seems like it should make sense, but it could be that, for example, once the signal gets sent, it might not be enough time for the signal to get from TradingView to the broker and get executed reliably, right? You might have to do something sooner. You might not want to rely on the time variable within PineScript in order to do it. You might want to, let's say, look at the number of intraday bars that have passed, because let's say on a 1 hour time frame, you can pull all the candles for the 1 minute. So you can say, okay, when this many candles are there, let's go ahead and fire it. There's different ways you can go about that, but yes, it is possible to do.